tell you whether Skillshare is good or bad. Instead, I will do an in-depth analysis of Skillshare and give my honest opinion about the service. After reading my testimony, you will know what is Skillshare, how it works, and whether it's legit or not. I don't want you to just sign up for an account on Skillshare. I actually want you to get inspired, take some action, and get the maximum benefit from online education. Since you're reading this review, I assume that you're somewhat interested in Skillshare, but not entirely convinced that it's worth your time. Helping you to improve your life, getting more things done, achieving your goals, and experiencing more joy and happiness as you go through life is the main purpose of this review. And as a bonus, I will also share how to get free access to Skillshare premium classes. What is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online platform with an active community that has more than 19,000 classes, including thousands of free, high-quality courses. It's a legit company that has been on the market since 2010. Skillshare is rapidly growing and has become one of the most affordable online education platforms with top-quality classes. The idea behind Skillshare is to teach its members thousands of new useful skills that can be implemented in real life. You can learn photo and video editing, foreign languages, or take a tea brewing class, all from the comfort of your home. Skillshare also offers various classes that can help improve creative, marketing, or management parts of your business, or even start a new business in almost any niche, both online and offline. It is also a great service for those who want to grow professionally and develop their business skills, for those who want to become freelancers but don't know how, and pretty much anyone who wants to learn new skills, from cooking and meditation to story writing and SEO. Skillshare doesn't only focus on helping people make more money, but rather helps people improve all aspects of their lives, although if you want to use it for just business, that's fine too. Let's talk about Skillshare cost and pricing. So how much is a Skillshare subscription? It must cost a fortune considering how awesome it is. Well, not really, it's actually super affordable. There are a few options you can choose from. Pay monthly. It only costs $12 per month. If you decide to pay it annually, it would be $96 per year, or $8 per month for unlimited access to all the courses. If you choose to pay monthly, your education would cost around 40 cents per day. And keep in mind that it's not an expense, but rather an investment in yourself. If you're broke and have no money at the moment but still want to use Skillshare, you can apply for a scholarship and get from 50 to 100% off. I've heard people saying that something that costs $10 per month can't be good, and that they'd prefer to take classes that cost thousands of dollars because they think that the higher price equals better quality. But that's not the case here. And although I believe Skillshare should cost at least a few hundred per month, I'm glad that this service is affordable and so many people can use it, become skillful and knowledgeable, and change their lives for the better. What don't people like about Skillshare? Skillshare is offering a 1-month free trial for new members. That's a very generous offer. However, many people do not realize that if for some reason they don't like the service, they need to cancel their subscription before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. And this is the biggest issue people have with Skillshare. There are a few other complaints, but nothing major, and most of them made me smile rather than raising a red flag. Let's review Skillshare free classes. As I've mentioned before, you can take some classes on Skillshare for free. At this point, there are more than 1,000 free classes out there. You would still need to create an account for that. Free classes can be a good option. I believe that it's a great way to try Skillshare, but by only taking free classes, you're limiting yourself. Also, keep in mind that premium plan comes with a 1-month free trial. If you want to get a 2-month free trial, click the link in the description. You can actually learn a lot in 60 days even if you spend just 1 hour a day on classes. If Skillshare is a way for you to learn how to make more money, I'm sure you will benefit a lot from it. And if you apply the skills that you learn in classes, you'll be able to make at least $100 per day by the end of 60 or even 30 days. So what makes Skillshare Premium so awesome? You get unlimited access to all classes for a whole month for the price of a couple of cups of coffee. You get to study with students like yourself and, of course, ask your teacher questions. All the classes are available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and finding the right class is very easy. You can use the search bar to find classes that you want to take. You can save classes to your dashboard. You can follow teachers you like. You can also follow topics and subtopics you're interested in and get the newest and popular classes in your recommendations. You can filter the results by freshness and also by trending and popularity. You can read reviews about the class you're taking and write a review afterwards yourself. You can see all the classes you took in the past in Members area. You can access all of your classes anytime, anywhere. Sync your progress on your computer, phone, or tablet, and also download video lessons to your tablet or mobile device with a premium membership and take your classes offline. At this point, Premium Skillshare Members area has more than 19,000 classes, and the number is constantly growing. Is Skillshare worth it? In my opinion, yes. I think that online learning is the future of education, and Skillshare is one of the best platforms on the internet to learn new skills. It is also one of the most affordable ones. Although if you want to get something done with Skillshare, you'll need to take classes and implement the skills you learn. People often forget to do that and they get upset thinking they wasted time and money. But don't worry, we have a simple plan that will help you start the right way, if you're interested of course. If you don't have a lot of free time on your hands or don't want to overwhelm yourself with information, you can devote just 1 hour a day to Skillshare like I did. All you have to do is be consistent and organized. Here's a simple plan. Use this link in the description to get a 2-month free trial on Skillshare. Browse classes and choose the ones you want to take. Choose the premium and sign up. Start by taking one of the time management classes. The link will also be in the description. Read reviews before taking any class. Make sure that the class is up to date. Complete all the assignments and put knowledge into practice. If you don't know how to apply the things you've learned, take the class which will teach you just that. The secret is to enjoy what you're doing. Don't do anything just because you think it's prestigious or can make you a lot of money. Do what you love and the money will follow. Thank you for your time. If you have anything to add or a suggestion, feel free to post in the comments section below.